Hi tech enthusiast, welcome back to our YouTube channels. Today where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of smartphones and gadgets. We are diving deep into the world of real innovations technology with the spotlights on the Oppo Find N3 Flip. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the cutting edge features and revolutionary design of this groundbreaking smartphone from its foldable LTPO AMOLED display to its powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is setting a new standard for smartphones excellence. Join as we embark on our journey to uncover every aspect of this remarkable device. From its stunning camera capabilities to its lighting fast connectivity options, whether you are a tech enthusiast or simply curious about the future of mobile technology, this is one video you would not want to miss out. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of the Oppo Find N3 Flip smartphones. So stay with us and continue watching these videos. So let's start by dissecting the key features of the Oppo Find N3 Flip and uncovering what makes it such a standout device. First, let's talk about the design and displays. First impressions are everything, and the Oppo Find N3 Flip certainly does not disappoint with its sleek futuristic design and premium build quality. This device exudes sophistication and elegance, and when it comes to the displays, the Oppo Find N3 Flip boasts a stunning foldable LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rates and HDR10 sports. Whether you are watching videos or playing games, treated to vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth animations, and truly elevate your viewing experience. Now let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, the Oppo Find N3 Flip is powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking. With its octa-core processor and G715 MC11 GPU, this device can handle even the most demanding tasks, plus with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. You will have plenty of room for all your apps, games, videos, and media files. After briefly describing the processors, now let's talk about the cameras. The Oppo Find N3 Flip features a versatile triple cameras setup on the rear, including a 15 megapixels main cameras plus a 32 megapixels telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and a 48 megapixels ultra wide lens. Whether you are shooting landscape, portraits, or close ups, you can accept stunning clarity and details in every shoot. And for selfies, the 32 megapixels front facing cameras ensures you always look your best, even in low light conditions. After briefly describing the cameras, now let's talk about the features and connectivities. Staying connected is a breezy with the Oppo Find N3 Flip with support for 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 multiplied by 7, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC. You can enjoy lightning fast data speeds and seamless connectivity wherever you go. Plus with features like mounted fingerprints, sensors and comprehensive suite for sensors including accelerometers, gyro and compass. You can unlock your device with ease and enjoy added convenience and sleeky. Now let's talk about the last but not least. Let's talk about the battery life. The Oppo Flip N3 Flip is powered by a robust 4300 mAh battery, ensuring you can go all the day and then some on a single charge. And with 45-watt wide charging ports, you can quickly top up your battery and get back to what matters most. After briefly describing the comprehensive overview of the Oppo Find N3 Flip, we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into what these innovation smartphones has to offer and helped you make an informed decisions. If you found these reviews helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more in-depth reviews and tech updates. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the Oppo Find N3 Flip, feel free and drop us a comment below and we would love to hear from you. Stay tuned to our channels for more exciting content. Until next time, happy exploring. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.